Here's the day in the life of Riley. This might be a very short video. This is our new life at the farm. We have pigs, but I'm not going to show them yet. We have a rooster now. He doesn't trust me that much, but lots of the chickens trust me. Chickens, rooster, right there. They got the water here. Water right here. I don't know what that's for. I don't know what that's for. We have this so the chickens can walk here in there. Because the foxes, oh my god, look at branch. I'm gonna go to the other animals. Here's the other animals. We are raising these chickens right here. I'm sure. Yeah, that one with the big mohawk, the one with the big mohawk, the kind of black feathers, the one with the long mohawk, that's the rooster. This is one of those fluffy breeds of chickens. We have one of those. I think the rooster breed with one. That's why I think it's a rooster breed. No, I think I sound dumb right now. Dude, look at these quails. All these quails are gamer raging. Quails. These quails are old enough to lay eggs. They lay the eggs back there in those little coop. And for some reason that one right there keeps going on top of there. These are other chickens that we're raising. Chickens right here. Chickens right here. We're in Australia still. Not like that's a bad thing. Chickens here. This is not our rooster. That one right there, that's our rooster. That's our rooster that we're raising right there. The big one that has the big mohawk right there. That's the rooster. And we got our latches here, and back down there, right there. Right there, and we do this. We have that so we can clean the bottom of there. So we can open this. That's where they're gonna lay their eggs when they're older. I can't get through that. There. I'm gonna go to the pigs. Pigs there. This is one of our pigs. one of our pigs here. This is our male pig. There. Right there. That's our male pig. And in here we have some piglets. Piglets right here. The piglets are in there. The piglets are in that hay. They're buried in there. Here's the mama pig. He's grumpy. Very grumpy. If you have pigs and the mama pig has baby piglets, don't try to pet them because the mama pig will be very grumpy. So that's why. Piglets. I don't think we're gonna see the piglets because there, she's looking in there for them. I tried giving them some broccoli, but it didn't work. Let's get out of there. This is all the land they have. Not just there. They also have land over there and stuff that goes there. Hey. You grumpy? I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna go over there. There. Now, I literally dug this up over there somewhere. Mystery. We have to somehow bend this, and all these pots go on here. Ooh, I just found a piece. Yes, piece, dude. I wonder where this goes. So there's like, so we got this thing here, so I think that's the rust from this. So I'm gonna put this here. Ooh, I think that goes here. Or it goes here or something. No, it definitely goes here. Yes, definitely goes there. Some sort of holder. Definitely goes here, I think. So right here. This goes along here somehow. This thing. This is still a mystery. Dude, still a mystery. Sort of grind things. Yay. Yay. Yeah. I found like focus. Hello, why am I only focusing on that? Oh, why is this so blurry? This is our cat, Charlie. Ginger cat. kitty. Ginger cat. Has great claws. He has this scar on his nose from fighting a possum. So, yeah. Anyway. Lawnmower. Anyway. Plants. Yay. Yeah.